Listen, that sound, that's your laptop's fan screaming for help. And that thermal throttling, it's silently stealing your performance, your FPS, your render speed. But what if the solution was simpler than you think? We went out and tested 25 different laptop cooling pads, the cheap ones, the expensive ones, the ones that look like they're from the future. Some were shockingly bad, but a few were absolute game changers. In this video we reveal the data, the winners, and the one you should avoid at all costs. This is the ultimate cooling pad showdown. Starting at number 1. Razer Laptop Cooling Pad. The Razer Laptop Cooling Pad has it all, which makes it my top pick for the best laptop cooling pad you can buy today. It nails the fundamentals and makes a big difference in overall temperatures, and then adds additional features on top of it that enhance its overall value and usability. It's an especially good pick if you own a Razer Blade gaming laptop because it has a special performance-enhancing feature specific to some models in its Razer Blade lineup. A laptop cooler doesn't mean much if it doesn't actually lower temperatures. But Razer has applied a smart design that keeps these fundamental basics at the forefront, supporting laptops between 14 to 18 inches. It features a selection of foam gaskets to support your laptop. With your PC in place, it creates an airtight seal around the bottom. Because no air can escape, it forces airflow through the system and prevents leakage that would diminish its effectiveness. Some users report temperature improvements upwards of 59 degrees Fahrenheit per 15 degrees Celsius, which few other coolers can manage. With core functionality under its belt, Razer was free to begin adding features on top. It comes with a 3-port USB hub to expand the connectivity of your laptop and RGB lighting. There are also 3 programmable buttons that can be assigned within Razer Synapse. Number 2. HAVIT HVF2071. HAVIT offers a wide selection of affordable laptop coolers, but the best value within its 2025 lineup is easily the HVF2701. This cooler features 6 fans to ensure cool air makes its way into your laptop and is forced out the exhaust vents. While I always prefer foam seals, the sheer number of fans and its affordable price of $25 make this an excellent choice for gamers on tight budgets. This cooler features a full half-dozen 70mm fans. These are relatively small, but their size better allows them to line up with different vent positions on the bottom of different gaming laptops. Directed airflow is always better than simply blasting a large area and having the excess blow out the sides. Despite its low cost, it also features some welcome extras. The stand is height adjustable to ensure versatility for different use cases. It also features a speed dial to ramp its fan speeds up and down. You'll need to pay a couple extra dollars to get RGB, but even at its base price, you get a pair of USB 2.0 ports to easily connect a mouse, keyboard, controller, or other peripherals. It doesn't support anything larger than 17-inch laptops, but is compatible with more compact options down to 13 inches. If you keep your eyes out for a sale, I've seen this as low as $20, and it's a steal at that price. Number 3. IETS GT600 V2 RGB. IETS is one of the biggest names in high-performance laptop coolers, and the GT600 V2 RGB is a perfect example of why. This cooler is smartly designed, moves a ton of air, is user-friendly, and most importantly, works great to keep your laptop cool. The GT600 V2 RGB is all about airflow. It features one massive 5.5-inch turbo fan designed to force a metric ton of air into your PC to clear out the hot air in an instant. At its highest speed, it's able to run up to 2,800 RPM and move up to 71.9 mmHg 2.0. This measurement is all about how much air it can push in challenging situations, like up and through the internals of a laptop. IETS applies all of the lessons it has learned over its years developing coolers here. For example, knowing that many laptops exhaust hot air out the rear, the GT600 V2 positions its intake on the bottom of the cooler so it's not simply drawing and sending that hot air back into the PC. It features 7 levels of height adjustability for comfortable use, but there's always enough clearance to feed its turbo fan, and has a digital display that allows you to control its fan levels with quick taps. Number 4. LLano Gaming Laptop Cooler V13. The LLano gaming laptop cooler V13 checks many of the same boxes that others on this list do. Good design is good design, right? But don't let that put you off. While the other coolers on this list are all great at what they do, the V13 is the cooler to choose if you A, have a large gaming laptop, and B, don't want to spend more than $100 to keep it cool. Like others on this list, the LLano V13 features a smart and effect gasket seal system to channel its airflow. Where it sets itself apart is that it can support laptops up to a whopping 21 inches. I don't know if they even make 21-inch laptops anymore, but if you happen to be rocking Acer's 19-pound mammoth of a gaming laptop from 2017, this cooler has you covered. Realistically speaking, you probably don't have a 21-inch gaming laptop, but with 18-inch options becoming more plentiful, the V13 is a welcome choice that guarantees you support and effective cooling. Number 5. Klim Tempest. Cooling pads are the most common solution for managing laptop temperatures but are difficult to take on the go. If you need cooling that's easy to store in your bag alongside your laptop, the Klim Tempest is the perfect choice. Instead of acting as a laptop stand like a full pad, this small device clamps onto the side of your laptop directly over a vent. It uses a rubber gasket to create a seal and then uses its powerful 4,000 RPM fan to suck the hot air out the side of your laptop. The Tempest is especially neat because it has a built-in temperature sensor that monitors the heat of the air it's exhausting. You can choose its power across 13 different levels manually or set your ideal temperature and it will only turn on when it's needed. And there you have it, the top 5 champions from our massive test. Number 1 truly surprised us. Every single cooling pad we talked about, the good and the bad, is linked down in the description below. Check them out and see which one is right for your setup. If this deep dive saved you time and money, pay it forward. Hit the like button, share this with a friend whose laptop is overheating, and subscribe to the channel for more no-nonsense testing. We're breaking down the biggest tech myths next week. You won't want to miss it. Thanks for watching.